Hey, what's up, guys? It's Issei. Today, I'm going to share how I answer the IELTS reading section. So, this is Cambridge IELTS 13 test 4 reading passage 2 Saving the Soil. I think the way we solve the reading section actually it depends on the person, and this is just my way. It'd be happy that if it helps you. Right, let's begin. So check title, Saving Soil. It's interesting. And move to the questions. So there are keywords, find keywords like fill in the blank, and also it's like complete sentence with the correct ending. And we don't like this, maybe the list of headings. So let's come back here like after each paragraph. So now what I do is why integration could be a disaster for humans. Healthy soil, large variety of bacteria and other microorganisms, fan remains, and what? Also here, nutrients contain the unused parts. Okay, synthetic fertilizers or just the keywords. Okay, name, idea of zero. Alright, let's start reading. More than was okay, endangered. If we don't slow decline, could be gone in 60 years. Name, but we couldn't see this name in the questions, so let's keep reading. Okay, understand. All single ground healthy soil might contain bacteria as well as other microorganisms. We might see this in the questions. Viruses and fungi live in plants and fibers. As well as plant remains and its minerals. Sorry, it's too small. Okay, and let's check the next. Provides us with food, also with antibiotics. Its function in storing something, which has effect on the climate. Okay. Just grow food but are the source of nearly all existing antibiotics and could be our best hope in the fight against antibiotics, bacteria, or against climate change, as microorganisms within soil digest the animals and plants. They lock in, like store in carbon. Okay, holding 3 times. Yeah. Okay. Soils also. Okay. Oh wow. Store water. depending. Okay, but it also mentions about storing something, but this question says effect on the climate, so it would be carbon. Okay. In addition, it prevents damage to property and infrastructure because it holds water. And if these microorganisms are lost, soil may lose its special properties. The main factor contributing to soil degradation is the something carried out by humans, right? So we let A and B. Let's check here before we going on. Okay. Difference to one person's motivation. No explanation. How soil stayed healthy before farming. Okay. Example. Collecting information. No. Suggestion for keeping some. No. Reason why it's difficult. Yeah, no. Okay, here. If the ability to perform these functions, the human race could be in big trouble, or human race, okay? It is not the soil will disappear completely, but that the microorganisms shall be lost, okay? Oh, I think agriculture is by far biggest problem. The main factor contributing to soil degradation is the agriculture. Oh, I don't culture. Okay. Let's keep mapping. Okay. Nutrients are determined directly. Humans tend not to determine unused parts of harvested crops directly to enrich, meaning that soil gradually become less fertile. Okay. In the past, we developed strategies to get around the problem. Okay, such varying type of crops. It looks like here, nutrients contained in the unused parts of harvest crops may improve the number and quality. No. Data. No. Maybe here. May help governments. No governments there. May cause damage to different aspects. Maybe here, but it doesn't look like the answer. Better for use. Yeah, she. Because humans tend not to return unused parts of the harvest crop directly to the soil to enrich it, and it also becomes less fertile. So nutrients contained in the unused parts of harvest crops may not be put back into the soil. That's why C. And also here, an explanation of how to stay healthy before the development of farming is agriculture. So the answer would be C. But these practices become inconvenient as population grow and agriculture have become more commercialized. Or solution, 20th century with Haber-Bosch. Okay, farmers have been putting this synthetic fertilizers. Synthetic fertilizers. But over the past few decades, it has become clear this wasn't the right idea. Chemical fertilizer can release pollen. Okay. Wash away with rain, releasing. More recently, we have found hurts the soil itself. Okay, acid and salty. So it's not good. The synthetic fertilizer may cause a problem to the soil. Here. So synthetic fertilizers produced with the Haber-Bosch process used here. May have government, no, may cause damage to different aspects of the environment. The answer would be E. And let's check here also. A difference. Maybe because one person's, I don't know if it's their motivation or not. D. Okay. Let's keep reading. One of the people looking for a solution. Okay, one of the people, again, maybe his motivation, his or her motivation. Who's that? Trick your business, and now by son of the world's top soil scientist. Cool. Best way to ensure his tree flourished was take care of the soil. There was a cocktail of beneficial bacteria, fungi, and humans to do this research. Okay, use this cocktail on soils destroyed by forests. Emerged that were not just healthy at the surface, but has roots strong enough to be started. Okay, that was beneficial. Point. It's good. Well, small and big. Okay. So let's check here first. Addition or mixer develop. Okay. May improve, right? The number of Korea plants growing there. Yep. It's A. And what about here? Not D, right? It's E. However, measures like are not enough to solve the global soil degradation problem. Okay, global scale, we first need an accurate picture of what types of soil are out there. Okay, and the problems they face. That's not easy. For one thing, there is no international system for classifying soil in different approaches. They created a global soil map project from 9 countries. Database or linked database can be fed measurements from drone survey. Next 4 years, they would have mapped soils worldwide to depths. Oh, it's interesting. The idea of zero net. No. Example of different ways of collecting information. Oh, sorry. 24 would be. Oh no, a reason why it's difficult to provide an overview. Okay, it's F. And different way of collecting information. It's also F, right? Maybe. But this is only the ranking home governments, wider public. Okay. Name again. Don't speak language. Policymaker understand and vice versa. Okay. Oh, growth of Zelnet. It's easily understood target that can help shape expectations and encourage action. For so on the brink, don't wait. Late. Maybe too late. Okay, such like agitating for immediate creation of protected zones, endangered soils, endangered. One difficulty here, defining what these areas should conserve, area where the greatest soil diversity is present, or it is whatever we do if we want. So a suggestion for a way of keeping some types of soil safe in the near future. It talks about zero net. An idea of zero net soil degradation may help government to be more aware of issues. So it's D. Okay, I'm done. Right. Okay, great. So let's check the answer. Let's check the answer. Okay. Okay, this is a test for passage 2. Minerals. Carbon. 16. Water. Agriculture. C. E. A. D. Okay. C. A. D. E. C. F. G. F. Okay. Perfect. Right. This material was interesting, and it's about environment, I think. Environment seems to be easy for me. Anyways, if you guys have any comments or feedback, please leave it here down below. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.